The Jrake Family, Baby Jrake's Epic Mess. Wow, would you look at that? Baby Jrake made an epic mess. Baby Jrake likes to play and have fun. Jrake likes to have laugh parties and dance parties. There's only so much time in a day to have fun before it's nap time, if you know what I mean. Jrake emptied all of his toys. Now his toy basket is spread out all over his room. Will you help Jrake pick up his toys and animals and put them back in the basket? You will? That's great. Baby Jrake needs all the help he can get. First, let's see what kind of toys he has. Are all of the toys the same kind? Of course not. Jrake has all sorts of toys out. Stuffed animals, blocks, books, little figure toys, balls, bath toys. We can't put them in one basket, can we? It's time to sort them all out. Papa Jrake shows Baby Jrake how to sort all the toys based on the type. He puts stuffed animals in the big basket. Small toys go into smaller boxes. Blocks go in the special bag. Books go back on the shelf. And bath toys are back in the bath bucket. Jrake is excited. Mess is now gone. Papa Jrake looks at Baby Jrake and gives him a big high five. Jrake is happy. Now he knows how to clean up. Do you know how to clean up? Do you know how to sort all your toys? Share your ideas with us at thexcfamily@gmail.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our videos. See you next time.